All right, let's rewrite cosine of 3 theta times cosine of 5 theta as a sum or difference. So I went ahead and I picked out our product to sum formula for cosine multiplied by cosine. Now, as we get going on this, it's basically filling into a formula and reducing down. So I'm going to use alpha as 3 theta and beta as 5 theta as we get plugging in here. So we can rewrite our original as 1/2 multiplied by big set of brackets, cosine of alpha we said was 3 theta, minus beta, which is 5 theta, plus the cosine of, again, alpha is 3 theta, plus beta, which is 5 theta. So hopefully pretty straightforward how we plugged in for alpha and beta throughout. From here, let's go ahead and do some reducing down. So we can go ahead and bring the 1/2 along. Next, I'll say 3 thetas minus 5 thetas makes negative 2 thetas on the inside of that cosine, plus cosine of 3 thetas plus 5 thetas makes 8 thetas on the inside of that cosine. I do notice that we get to a negative on the inside of this cosine. A better answer would probably be if we had that being positive. To get rid of any of these negatives on the inside of a trig function, we always go back to our even-odd identities. And the even-odd identity for cosine says that we're allowed to basically just drop this negative without putting a negative out in front. Okay, so we can rewrite that. And as I do this to get to our final answer, I'm also going to distribute this 1/2 to each one of these cosines to clear out this big set of brackets. So we can say 1/2 multiplied by cosine of 2 theta, again, dropping that negative based on the even-odd identities, plus 1/2 getting distributed again to clear out the big set of brackets, multiplied by cosine of 8 theta. Now, you're not allowed to bring these 1/2s to the inside of this function. So like this 1/2 and this 2 theta, the 2's don't get to cancel out. Same thing with the 8 and the 1/2. Leave these separate because the 8 is inside of a function, whereas the 1/2 is not inside the function. So let's leave our final answer just like this, best answer we can get to. So good luck as you're working product to sum formulas, getting used to these, identify alpha and beta. Good luck.